Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about two important projects, and these projects are coming under one of the important niche, that is corporate niche, which is these projects are focusing on enterprise adoption and mainly focusing on this enterprise adoption, which is bringing enterprises into blockchains and into public infrastructures, that is public blockchains. So that's a major thing. This is very much important. These two projects are very much important for the 2021 and also very much important for the next bull run and also for the altcoin season. So we are going to see these two projects and we are going to do market analysis and we are going to do Bitcoin technical analysis, and also we are going to check out some of the prices, and we are going to check out Bitcoin dominance chart and altcoin season index. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. If you see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance, we have Bitcoin minus 2% down, Ethereum minus 2% down, XRP minus 35.8% down, and this is because Coinbase is going to delist and Coinbase is going to suspend the trading of XRP in Coinbase. So if you're XRP holder, act fast and sell your XRP as soon as possible, because most of the exchanges are announcing the suspension of XRP token on different exchanges. That's a major thing. So that's why we are seeing minus 35.8% down for XRP, Litecoin minus 5.4% down, Bitcoin Cash minus 7.1% down, Polkadot 1.7% up, and Polkadot having a nice gain of 30.4% in the past 7 days, quite nice. And Cardano also 14% up and having a nice gain of 22.9% up for the past 7 days. And Binance Coin 6.8% up, Chainlink minus 7.5% down. So these are the top 10 coins and past 24 hours performance. Some of the coins are performing very well. And if you see the past 24 hours top gainers, we have Dynamic Set Dollar DSD, which is 80.2% up. We have REN 20.7% up and good gain 45.6% up in the past 7 days. Chili's 17.9% up and 56.6% in the past 7 days. And next we have Cardano. Cardano is 14% up with 22.9% up in the past 7 days. So quite nice gain for some of the big alts, and we are seeing Cardano is there, VeChain is there. So Blockstack, we have discussed about Blockstack in the previous videos, and it is having a nice gain of 47% in the past 7 days. So quite there are quite a large number of gainers are also there. If we see the losers in the past 24 hours, we have XRP because of that particular news, and the graph is a little bit dumping, and you can see it is minus 14.1% down. Sushi minus 10.2% down, Stellar minus 9.8% down, EOS minus 9.6%, and not that much losers, but it is quite less than 10%, and you can see some of the coins are having sideways movement. That's a major thing. So this is all about the market analysis. Now let's see about Bitcoin price and Bitcoin technical analysis. If we see the Bitcoin, it is forming one small, actually it is forming triangle. You can see over here, we broke and we reached both the targets. This is the first target we have mentioned, and this is the second target we mentioned. We have reached both the targets, so I'm just deleting this one, and this one. And for now, you can see in a 4-hour time frame, this particular thing is forming. You can see it's a triangle. So you can say it's an ascending triangle, not ascending triangle, symmetrical triangle. If we are taking this. If you are taking like this, it is like a symmetrical triangle. It can break either upwards or downwards. That's a major thing. So let's see how it goes and have a look on in a 1 hour time frame. That will keep you understand very much. Nice. So the same thing, the apex is at 31st of December, so we can expect some breakup or breakdown soon. And very much important thing is we will be having some huge correction, maybe 30 or 40%. Let's see when it has happened, when it can happen, because we have been pumping a lot during, you can see we went almost parabolic, guys. That's a major thing. More in 1 day, and if you see weekly, we are still going straight up. So we need some consolidation, and we had some consolidation around this area which is around $20,000. So this will be acting as a huge support. And in terms of weekly time frame, we very much important parameter we have to check is 20-week moving average. So it is now at $15,527. So I think quite a small period of consolidation would bring this particular 20-week moving average to straightly to $20,000. Maybe end of this week, we can expect this will be around. Maybe it will be around $70,000. $70,000 is a reasonable one. And next week, and at the end of we can see maybe at the end of first week of Jan, we can expect the 21-week moving average will be around $19,000. That is a quite area, because higher this 21-week moving average, lesser the percentage of correction will be there. So this is a more important thing. And you can see in the weekly we are mainly bullish, guys. You can see our green candles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So totally 11 candles, guys. From $10,000 we haven't cooled down, so we are moving up and up. So it has to come down. We are expecting some corrections. That is a major thing. So, and one of the important thing we have to have a look is Fibonacci retracement level. So Fibonacci levels are very much important in terms of there is no resistance at the top, because now we are in the price discovery area. So Fibonacci levels are very much important. And if we see the recent dump, and from there high to this low, we can take. So you can see the Fibonacci retracement level of 2.68. This, we broke this level actually with a green nice candle, and you can see we can have to look on daily time frame. So we broke this particular level, that is 1.618 with a nice green bullish candle, and that is the major area. We broke $20,000, and then we went up, and we broke this particular rising wedge. And next you can see the next level is at $30,600. It's around $30,000. So that's a major thing. And we are, if you are going upwards, the next resistance would be, if you want to take the resistance, the next resistance would be $30,000, because it's a Fibonacci level. And if you are breaking that one, and the next stop would be around the next level, that is 3.618, which is around $40,000. So higher the levels, we can see the gaps are very much higher compared to the levels at bottoms. So if you are breaking this particular level of 2.618, we will be going next stop. The next stop would be around $40,000. That's a major thing. And for now, Bitcoin looks bullish. And let's see how it breaks this particular level, particular triangle, whether we are breaking upwards or whether we are breaking downwards. That's a major thing. So it's all about Bitcoin. And if you see Ethereum is quite bullish, and you can see we have been discussing about these levels, these W patterns and the neckline. We broke this and we went up, and this is one of the important thing, wedge. And this rising wedge also we broke, and also we have retested this level quite nicely. You can see we have retested, and making that as a support, we pumped it again and made a high of some $50. Now again we have retested, second time we have retested, and we have get a pullback. So it looks like the target is still there. First target we have achieved, I think so, yep, $740, and second target would be $800. We are still in a way to that $800 target, and the trend is quite nicely upwards, guys. That's a major thing. So the trend is up. Maybe the $800 we will be moving sideways for quite some period of time, and then we will be reaching the $800 target. So that's a major thing. And about Ethereum, nothing much has changed. In terms of Bitcoin dominance chart, Bitcoin dominance is getting support from this area. We have been discussing about this in the previous video, whether it is going to break downwards or whether it is going to get some support from this trend line. It got some support from this particular trend line, and you can see perfectly it touched the trend line, and now it is getting some support, and now it is gaining some momentum. Let's see how it goes, whether it is going to touch 73.12 and then it can break downwards. That's a major thing. And once it breaks this particular trend line, already now we can see some of the altcoins are performing very well. Some of the top altcoins like Cardano, Polkadot are performing very well. And if this particular trend line breaks, if this Bitcoin dominance chart, this particular trend line breaks, we can expect a huge price movement in terms of altcoins like Cardano, and other altcoins will perform very well if we are breaking this particular trend line. So that's a major thing, and that's a major thing about the technical analysis of Bitcoin ETH and Bitcoin dominance chart. Now let's have a look on altcoin season index. Still we are in a Bitcoin season 14. We are still below 25. So nice time for accumulation, you can see, and we will be soon breaking this 25 mark. So for now we are still in a Bitcoin season. So what to say, it's like a nice time to accumulate some of the alts. Now we can see about the projects, and the first project we are going to see is Origin Trial. So Origin Trial, and we can see this is one of the important project, and this is mainly focusing on enterprises and enterprise adoption, and mainly focusing on supply chain, guys. The main aim of this particular project is supply chain and tracking different things. In detail we have seen in a separate video already. And now let's have a look on the prices. You can see it made an all-time high of $0.36, and it had a quite nice gain from March. You can see $0.019 to $0.2. It's a quite 0.01 to 0.1 is 10x. It made already 10x, then it dropped back to 0.09. Now it is pumping again, so it will perform very well in the next coming bull run. And you can see it is in the uptrend, guys. It is in the uptrend. You can see over here, if we can connect the trend line, still it in the uptrend. So this drop, you can see minus 13% drop now, but this drop will be stopping around this area because this trend line is going. You can see if you are drawing a trend line over here, connecting this dip and connecting this dip, and the line will go somewhere here. So this will perform very well in the coming Bitcoin bull run. And supply is 289 million, and the overall total supply is 500 million. So quite okay. The supply is medium, not too much, and the rank is 184. So still a small low cap altcoin. So this can perform very well in the coming thing, and it's a huge ecosystem, guys. You can see over here, it's making supply chain works together, and they are doing lots of things. They have a partnership with Oracle's BSI, that is British Standard Institution. So lots of partnerships and lots of things they are covering. It's a huge ecosystem, and they are providing lots of different applications. You can see you can track the standards and certifications. So you can get on online certification, that is proof, which is your validity will be safeguarded. You can see Origin Trend Protocol use safeguard the validity of the issued training certificates and business standards, trusted factories, food traceability. They are also focusing on food traceability, fashion apparel traceability, enterprise data interoperability, industrial data marketplaces. Lots of applications, guys. Lots of application, and they are doing very nice. And the team is also very much good. And another applications like rail travel safety, sustainable agriculture. They have get grants from European Union. So financial flows and lots of other applications are coming in. So it's a quite nice project, and Origin Trial, and they have lots of alliances also. See awards. Wait a minute. Trace Alliance, Parity. They have Trace Alliance Parities there. Deloitte, Emergo. So lots of different companies are there. Lots of different partnerships are there. See, these are the members actually. Lots of partnership, guys, and you can see over here. So it's a quite nice project, and we can expect this will perform very well in the upcoming bull run. So if you want to know more about more detail about Origin Trial, you can have a look on that particular video. I can attach the link in the description. You can have a look on Origin Trial video. That will help you to understand the main objective of this particular project, and what are they doing. And the next project we are going to see is Unibright. So Unibright, it is also one of the important project. It is providing a framework for in order to make a smart contract very much easier for the enterprises. This project will bring lots of enterprises into blockchain, guys. That's a major thing. This is making the writing smart contracts very much easier using different framework, that is Unibright framework. And they have already partnered with Coca-Cola, and Coca-Cola also using Unibright, and other important companies also. So very much important project. And you can see the total circulating supply is 139 million, and the total supply is 150 million. Quite a low supply, and quite nice project actually. It's a baseline protocol. The main thing is it's baseline protocol. Baseline protocol is built by Microsoft and other stuffs. So it's a very much important. And now the price all-time high is 0.66, and now it's in a clean bull run. It's already made from Jan. It is 0.01. Now the all-time high is 0.6, 0.01 to it's made already 60x, guys. So it's made already 60x. Quite nice gain in terms of Unibright project, but it's a very much important project, and the rank is 137. Quite bigger compared to Origin Trial, but still it's one of the low cap coin. So Unibright, it's like enterprise blockchain solution from Germany. Unibright is a team of blockchain specialists, architects, developers, consultants with 20 plus years of experiences in business process and integration. We offer consulting, low-code integration tools, programmable DeFi, and universal business token. So this is mainly focusing on, okay, if an enterprise want to build up a smart contract or build up an application, decentralized application on blockchain, this Unibright will help. It is a team of specialist architecture developments. It's like a consultant. They will be providing guidance, and if they want to create something, some small contracts and some D apps on Ethereum, so this Unibright will be providing some easier framework where enterprise able to design what they want and able to design the purpose of the main decentralized application in a flowchart way. Then using that flowchart, this Unibright team will be publishing their smart contracts. The codes are generated using just flowcharts. That's a major thing. So easier adoption of blockchain for the enterprises. That's a major thing they are focusing on. So quite nice project. And if you want to know more about this project, I have already made a video about Unibright. I can attach that link also deeper into Unibright. So there are lots of things you can see over here. Different Unibright business workflow designer and different things are there. Very much easier. Just using a flow diagram, you can able to explain the process or the flow of process. So you can see over here, so you can specify some conditions using the flow chart, and automatically the codes will be generated. The codes for the contracts, small contracts, will be generated. So that's a major thing. It's quite nice project. And you can see they are having the partners and clients. Microsoft partner is there. Provide SAP is there. System application programming. Lufthansa, Kona, that is Coke service. Coinbase custody. So quite nice project, and bigger partners are there. And the consortia we engage in Baseline, Ethereum Alliance, and Ethereum and Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, and Blockchain Bundesverband, and these are the partnerships. So it's quite nice project, and this can also perform very well. Already it made 60x from Jan this year, but it will perform very well in this particular bull run. So there's a major thing about these two projects, Unibright, and other projects like some of the other projects are pumping quite nice. And you can see like the project we have covered already from Polkadot ecosystem, that is Kulupu. It's had a nice gain of 35% up, and you can see past 14 days, just in past 14 days it is 122.7% up, and past month itself you can see past 30 days it is around 450% up, guys. So this is the one of the project we have mentioned, one of the important smart contract platform on Polkadot. So this is we have discussed already in our old videos, and Polkadot is also performing very well. You can see nice 14.9% gain, and past 30 days it is 142.7% gain. So some of the project we have already discussed, so make them in the radar. I will be discussing that in different niches also in the upcoming videos. But since it started pumping, some of the projects are pumping. So have a look on these projects, and you can see the projects we have already seen is Injective Protocol. We have seen, so quite nice project, very much important project. So Injective Protocol we have already seen, and Unibright and Origin Trail also we have already discussed. So I will be attaching these two videos linked in the description. You can have a look on that one. So Origin Trail and Unibright. So Injective Protocol we have discussed. This is a very much important project, and this will be discussed in the upcoming videos of exchanges niche. So it is quite important. Have a look on this one also, because why I'm asking you to have a look on these projects all, because it started already pumping. And YFDI, very much important project. And in terms of Polkadot ecosystem, we have Ocean Protocol, that is also very much important. Bondly is there, and this is one, that is Zora is there. And next we have main projects like Polkadot, which is very much important. Polkadot is very much important, and Kulupu already pumping. So you can have a look on this video also if you want. So Kulupu is very much important, that we have discussed already in terms of smart contract. And XRT, Robonomics XRT is there, IoT. So this is also important. So some of the Polkadot projects are already pumping. So have a look on these videos we have already discussed. So Polkadot is one of them, very much important project. And also we have discussed in the previous video, that is about Parsec, and Parsec also pumping very well. And you can see over here, in the past 30 days it is 296% up, and in the past 14 days it is 354% up, guys. That's a major thing. The past 14 days it is 354% up. It was around $0.13, and it made an all-time high of $0.7, which is like 0.127 is 7x. And about the Parsec we have discussed already. We have discussed in the previous, I think we have discussed in this infrastructure niche also, infrastructure altcoins For 2021, we have discussed about Parsec, very much important project, and also we have discussed Parsec in the one of our old videos. In this video, so this is Bitcoin repeating 2000 bull cycle. In this video also we have discussed about Parsec. So and Parsec here also huge potential altcoins. So this Parsec is very much important, and it is doing lots of things, and it is also pumping. It's giving a quite nice gains. It made 7x this month itself. So 15th of December it was around 0.1, and it made a all-time high of 0.73. So 7x in this month itself, guys. That's a major thing. So that's all, and have a look on the older videos also, because I have covered a lot of Polkadot projects and different projects in those videos also. That is also very much important in terms of altcoins. I will be covering those. I will be segregating. I will be collecting those coins into different niches, and I will be creating a new videos in the upcoming days. So before that, keep an eye on that one, because most of the coins are already started pumping. So that's all. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of Crypto with CryptoMac. Until then, signing off, CryptoMac. See you guys.